Alright, today we're going to take a look at another new Zippo. A quick look. So here is the new one. It came in the regular or normal Zippo black box, and it says, "I need a beer." It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And it is a special edition. And it says, "You look like I need a beer." So it looks like Zippo is turning a corner and making some sarcastic Zippos. This is one of them. And another one I saw a while ago. Here's another sarcastic Zippo. How about a nice cup of Shut the Hell Up? And that was made in, let's see, in K of 2013. That's kind of an old one, but that was the start. And this one was made in, looks like H of 17. That's somewhere around December of 17. It's on a white matte finish. Good sound with a steel insert. Lights up nice. And one thing about a Zippo, when you get it new in the box, they come with a seal. This is the seal that all new Zippos come with. It's a red piece of tape. I can't really show you this Zippo yet, but I have been collecting these seals for about a year now, and they're on one of my log books. I think there's about 70 of them on this one. So I just started collecting these. But I'm trying to keep them all. It's not really a unique thing to collect, but I haven't seen another collection like it. So here's the I Need a Beer Zippo. It's on a white matte finish. Steel insert. Let's do a drop test on this one. A lit drop test. Bullseye. So this Zippo, this is a nice Zippo, even though it's in the sarcastic realm. Be a good one to add to my collection. And we will give it some not so sarcastic cowbell. Knuckle bump.